Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. We thank God for life, for strength and good health as we've stepped into 2024. I pray that this year yields so much blessing in your life wherever you are. And finally, Happy New Year guys! Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video, we are going to be decorating cupcakes. We will be using American buttercream for the frosting and decorating of the cupcakes. The recipe to the American buttercream will be dropped on the channel very soon, so stay tuned for that. Now arrange the cupcakes in the holes in the insert part of the cupcake box, and then let's begin the decorating of the cupcakes. Today we are using red, gray and then green frosting. We will also be using a 1M piping tip, a spare piping bag, a turntable, a bowl with mix of sprinkles, and then our cupcakes already placed in the cupcake box. Let's begin. Pick up the red frosting and then place it into the other piping bag with the 1M tip in it. And then pipe onto the first cake, which is the chocolate cupcake, a beautiful rosette. After that, move on to the other chocolate cake and then pipe another rosette on the other side of the cupcake. Onto the first vanilla cupcake, make a zigzaggy design with the frosting on the side of the cupcake. Move on to the other vanilla cupcake and then create some stars on the side of the cupcake. Now remove the red frosting from the piping bag and then place into it the green frosting. After that, pipe onto the first vanilla cupcake some stars. Then onto the first red velvet cupcake, create a rosette. Do the same design for the other red velvet cupcake. Onto the first chocolate cupcake, pipe a rosette onto the other side of the cupcake. Frosting to create stars onto the cupcakes as you prefer. Into the same piping bag, place the other frosting, which is the grey or off-white frosting, and use it to create stars on the cupcakes as well. This is basically filling in the gap. Since these cupcakes are being made for a client's birthday, I placed into the first vanilla cupcake a happy birthday cake topper. Then with the aid of a plastic spoon, I fetched some of the mixed sprinkles onto the left parts of the cupcakes. I did this for each and every cupcake according to how I wanted it to look. So you could position the sprinkles any way you like, and you can use so many sprinkles according to your preference and how best it will look with the design that you are creating. After adding the preferred sprinkles, I gave it a little finishing touch with other sizes of the sprinkles that weren't used in the beginning. And here you have it. This is the finished product. The cupcakes look so nice, very appealing, and I'm sure they are going to taste as beautiful as they look. Thank you, dear customer, for purchasing from us. After all the decorating is done, close the cupcake box and then ensure that as it is being closed, the frosting doesn't get destroyed. And as you can see, everything is intact. Just now I proceeded to add my business sticker onto the opening part of the cupcake to seal it and prevent it from opening. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, subscribing to the channel is a way to promote my content to so many people, and this will also help us get equipment that we need to promote this business as well. So I'll be very grateful if you could subscribe right now if you are new here. Kindly join the beloved Gators family, and I promise you wouldn't regret it. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.